Okay folks, here's the progress so far on the forklift Towmotor LT35 FM. We finished rewiring it. We've got the 12 volt conversion. What we did here is we got a single wire 63 amp alternator, the custom bracket on the front. I did not cut this out. Somebody before me got their hands on that, and I don't know why, because the generator fit. We got the wiring done. We put a new switch in. We've put a voltmeter in. We put a new hour meter in just because there was a hole there for the old voltmeter. And the new fancy dancy thing is I made my own neutral safety switch. Well, not a neutral safety switch as much as a neutral light. It'll still start in gear like they do, but at least if you got it in, put it in neutral, that light will come on. And that's controlled by a little buggery doodad down here. It's not quite adjusted perfect yet, but when it comes into gear, you can't see it quite as well, but it works. It goes into neutral. The light comes on, you know you're in neutral. So if you're working alongside it and you just want to bump and start it, because this thing will start up immediately. It's really quick since we put the new spark plugs in it, new wires in it, new rotor, new cap, new points, and we got a new coil, but that's a 6 volt coil. I got to get the 12 volt coil updated on that. I got the wiring preliminarily done. It looks like a bunch of spaghetti. I gotta get in there and put some nice tourniquets on there, get that all cleaned up. I ended up putting a small breaker box in there. There's really no good reason for it other than it gave me a place to put all my positive leads, and well, why not? You got 5 volt fuses in there just because. Got a new starter solenoid in there. We got our new fuel filter. Gave it an oil change. We still got to get the gearbox drained out and put new fluids in that. We're working today on the new tires came in, so we're working on new bearings. Well, not new bearings, the bearings were fine. We got new seals and the tires are pressed on. We're also waiting on a new old stock, all new steering shaft. Got a whole new steering shaft coming for it, because the old one, the sector shaft, was just tore up on it. The bearings were tore up, and the shaft itself on the worm side was bent, so that did no good. So that's supposed to be coming in. I got lucky I found that. Not cheap, but I got one. Oh yeah, we also got the new brakes came in. I had the brakes relined from a local relining shop. They're all in and nice. They almost look like they were factory. That was the cheapest part of the whole job, was getting that done. So now we got a brake pedal. We got to fix the parking brake, which is no big deal. And that's so far what we've got done. We'll keep you updated. Oh yeah, we still got, came in the new rebuilt tilt cylinder. I got the new rebuilt spool valves. They're all rebuilt and done. And we got all new hoses hydraulically for the whole thing to go in yet.